Hello and welcome back to the library. Today I'm going to show you how to find articles in the Canisius newspaper, the Griffin. The Griffin in print form is actually located in our archives, but most of it has been digitized so you can search it. So how do you find it? Well, first you would go to the library's homepage, library.canisius.edu, and off to the side here there is a link to the archives. So if you click on there, it will take you to the archives page, which is a work in progress. But you'll see here there's their online collections, and one of them is the Griffin. So I'm going to click on the Griffin, and this takes you to where the Griffin is housed, which is under the New York State Historic Newspapers. It has been digitized thanks to the Western New York Legacy Project and Hein Online. It started in 1933, and you can see it starts here. It is still currently going on. You can actually read the current paper online also. That is not digitized through here, but that is actually online. But it gives you the different names, where it's published, and geographic location, which would be us, and a note about the paper itself. Here off to the side you have different choices. You can search this title, you can do a calendar view, you can view all front pages, first issue, last issue. Before we go to search, I'm just going to show you calendar view. Here it gives you per year. You choose the year you want. This is particularly useful if you know that, okay, I know something was published in May of 1952, and it shows you the dates it was published. Now, our newspaper did not publish and still does not publish every day. It's a weekly now. But before, it only had certain dates. So those dates are highlighted, and those would be the dates you can click on. So you see everything else is grayed out. We're going to click back, and now we are going to search this title. So I will click here. Here we go. It's basic, and the newspapers covered in this website, actually, some of them start in 1725, goes through present, so that's the default dates. But because we click search this title, the Griffin is highlighted. It doesn't matter what dates you have here unless you needed a specific time. I am going to leave library as a search term, but you can see here you have search within 5 words of each other, or there are other Boolean terms here with the phrase, with any of the words, with all of the words. And I'm going to click go. Now, library gives us almost 1,700, and they sort by relevance, so how many times the word actually appears. And you can see here 1991, 1981. You can then limit by date, sort by date or by the title. We will sort by, actually we're just going to leave it here. We're not going to sort by date yet. See here, 1987. And I can tell you just from looking at this is when the library was going a enlargement phase to the size that it is now. We've had another renovation in between, but we're going to click on that. And here you see library collection to move will utilize new sections as construction continues. So they have a lovely article here about the carpeting and bookshelves being installed in the Boheis Library. So I'm going to click back, and you can then, like I said, sort by date, relevance. So we're going to sort by date. It always does oldest first. And you can see there was a small one in 1933. And ads from the 30s. It's always entertaining. You never know what you'll find in here. And here the Commerce Club, soon active. It's meeting in the library. Going to click to the last page, 85, which would be the most recent ones in here, which right now is 2003 for this one. And here's one. Do they do PCs or Macs? And let's see what this is. This is from the last issue that they do their mud issue, so it's all spoofs and what sucks and what's rocks. And I actually started at 2001, so I know some of these I remember when this article came out. So they did not like when people who talked on cell phones in the library. Still a problem. But they like the new library computers each year. So quite entertaining. Quad party. It's listed. Gym class. So always entertaining what you can find. Let's say you wanted to do another search. You can just click search again. You will have to double check because it will remove your paper. So you will have to re-add it. See all the different papers in here. And the Griffin is, oh, there it is. It's still highlighted. Always want to double check. I will just do one more. As you know, we had, we have the Pulitzer Prize winner. Adam Ziglas is a graduate. So let's see if he brings up anything. Let's bring that back in here, and hopefully I spell his name right. G-L-I-S. We will search. And voila! You can see some of Adam's early cartoons, pre-Buffalo News, pre-Pulitzer. But here we are. So that is how you search for the Griffin. And you can print these out. There, as you see here, there's a PDF issue or text. Oh, one more step. Of course, it's not going to work today. But you can print these out. And there we go. Or if you just remember to cite as you need to. And thank you for stopping by. And of course, there will be other videos. But have a good day.